the Techie Flautist, and this piece is part of our beginner concert band series. As you've probably noticed, there are a few different parts. This is to try and cater for all the different skill levels that you might find in your beginner concert band. So you can pick a part that's sort of really simple or a little bit more advanced, or there's one really challenging part in there. But the idea is we want to cater for everyone, and we want to play music that is fun and that the kids can relate to, so they enjoy their instrument and actually practice. So if you're interested in the score or individual parts, both of them will be put up on Sheet Music Plus, because then the royalties go to the right people. And if you have any suggestions for other pieces that you might like as part of this series, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are enjoying the content. Good luck! I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, happy practicing!